Hi, I'm Paula with Winthrop University's Office of Admissions. Let me walk you through filling out Winthrop's application. Start on the Winthrop homepage, www.winthrop.edu. Click on the Admissions tab. Scroll down to the Apply Now button. First-time users will need to create an account. It's best to use a personal email address instead of one associated with your current school. Check your email for a PIN number to authenticate and continue. If you did not receive a PIN number, please check your junk or spam folder. Go to Start New Application. Select an application type. This means the year you plan to enter school. High school seniors, you're looking for the 2021 application. Press Create Application, and then Open Application. Complete your personal background. Avoid entering NA or none into fields for which you don't have information. It's better to leave these blank. Next is enrollment information. If you are a high school senior this fall, click First-Time Freshman. Even if you're enrolled in dual enrollment, you're still a first-time freshman. What is your desired major? Remember, you can be undeclared and decide later. Moving along to academic history. Add the schools you have attended by clicking Add Institution. High school seniors should only list high schools they will graduate from and add any colleges where dual enrollment credit was taken as an undergraduate. Continue to high school senior courses in progress. List all courses that will be taken during your senior year of high school. Complete parent information and continue. Again, if you don't have the information for a field, please leave it blank. Additional information is next. This is where you can add extracurricular clubs, activities, community service, and your communication preferences. Signature certification confirms the application you have completed is accurate, complete, and without omission. Place your signature by typing your full legal name. Go to the review page to click for any errors or incomplete information. Any items that still need to be completed will give you a link back to the page where that information can be entered. You can save for later or be sure to click to submit your application. We will need 2 more items to complete your application. 1, an unofficial copy of your high school transcript. You can upload a copy to your application portal or email it to admissions@winthrop.edu. Number 2, an official record of your ACT or SAT test scores. Please contact your testing agency to have your scores sent directly to Winthrop University. Once we have those last 2 remaining items, your application is complete. Thanks for applying to Winthrop University.